Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So today we're taking a look at the new update for Cutefish OS 0.8 that just came. So first of all, here you will notice that we now have a Cutefish store. So this store is basically an app store where you can find and download the apps you like. So as a beginning, now we do not have a lot of apps here, but in the future may get a lot of more apps. Even in chat section we do not yet have Discord, which is actually interesting and weird at the same time. But there is GIMP here for graphics, one of the most popular graphics apps here. So they are for now limited, just only Office we have here, no Libre for example. In development we have Visual Studio Code, Wireshark and other few apps. We have Stacer, which is pretty nice. So when you open the app, if it's installed, will actually offer to open. This is Stacer. And if it is not installed, you can install it by click here. So I can say that the loading speed and downloading speed is it's okay, not very slow, not very fast for the first version ever of Cutefish OS store. So that's nice again. And hope in the future there will be much more apps added to this store, so new users can will come and use Cutefish OS, have the opportunity to get their favorite apps from the store, and actually not necessarily use the terminal to install all the apps they need. So now we have here also system update. So system update was in settings embedded, but now we have like a separate app for checking for updates and a new logo design interface, let's say, which is really nice and pleasant to use. I wish they did something with this like FC it takes, so they are basically keyboard layouts, something like that. So they could integrate such a menu here and not use a lot of input method, keyboard layout and all the stuff to take the space from here. Who knows, maybe in the future they will be integrated there. So what we have here, now we have a new power menu, so there is no longer their interface taking the whole screen, and now power buttons and logout, suspend lock screen are in a compact view, which is again really nice. In settings here we do not have a lot of changes, but there are a few ones with default applications. So default applications, now we have here we can select the default application we want to use. If there are many applications here, we can select which one we would like to select as the default one. So basically I do not have many other applications, so it will be like just one choice for the respective application. But when you want to install, for example, Firefox and Edge as browser, it will appear here to select which one you want to use. Maybe you want to use Edge, or Firefox. Languages, I think it got some additional translation here, and also in this update, Azerbaijan language, if I'm not mistaken, got a few translations of the menus. Here is basically the same settings besides adding default applications, and all the actual default apps you want to use. In File Manager now we have no longer see the artifacts and weird icons. There are some issues for some users, like they see black icons here, but I had the visual artifacts and issues in the previous version 0.7. Now looks like it's fixed, at least in my case. Okay, hot corner works as it should. Not much change here. This menu also works. Now, if I remember right, when installing the Cutefish, it will use another video app. I have the legacy video player from previous Cutefish versions, but they now actually use MPV, so it may come in some cases when you're installing Cutefish OS, like on my laptop, it is there. So MPV will be one of the defaults, I guess, for video playing and content. They have actually a calculator app also. Which is more advanced than classical calculator they already have. So this one is pretty basic. They have in Cutefish App Store more advanced scientific calculator. What else? I do not see a lot of changes here. And basically, Cutefish with every update gets closer to the final release, which is very good. Now when new users may come and try this distribution, we'll have how to say much easy experience and more complex tasks can be done with this operating system, so they can actually use it as a daily basis, but again it's not yet the final version and may suffer from some bugs and inconvenience things to be like the daily use. But again, it's easy to use and simple for the new users especially, and now that Cutefish will improve and develop further their store, won't be really necessary to use the terminal for installing apps and do a lot of more complex commands and do the work from the terminal. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoy this update and Cutefish OS, and see you in the next one.